Good morning. My name is Darren Richardson. I'm an attorney at law with the law firm of Eastman Estate Planning. And today I just wanted to take a couple of minutes with you to talk about who are the parties of a revocable living trust. Sometimes as I meet with clients and prospective clients, there's some confusion as to how many hats do I need to wear when I am preparing a living trust. So the first party to a trust is a trustor. The trustor is the party that creates the trust. It is also the party that has the authority to amend the trust and make changes to the trust if it's a revocable living trust. A trustor of an irrevocable trust does not have authority to amend an irrevocable trust, but they are still the trustors because they created the trust. The next party to a trust is the trustee. The trustee is the party that has the authority to manage the trust assets and to administer the trust according to its terms. So if I created the trust, I am the trustor, and if it's my trust, I will also be the initial trustee. If for whatever reason I cannot manage my trust assets or administer my trust, either due to death or incapacity, then I can nominate a successor trustee within my trust who can step into my shoes to make sure that my assets are being properly managed and that my trust is being administered according to the terms of the trust. The third party to a trust is a beneficiary. Again, if I create my trust while I'm alive and living, I am the beneficiary of my trust. I am receiving the benefit of my trust assets during my lifetime. Upon my death, then my trust names other beneficiaries called contingent beneficiaries who will then receive my assets after I have passed away. So there are three parties to a trust. You have the trustor, which is the creator of the trust, and if it's a revocable living trust, the party that has authority to amend the trust. The trustee is the party that has the authority to manage the trust assets and to administer the trust according to its terms. And then you have the beneficiary being the one who's receiving the benefit of the trust. And oftentimes, if you are creating your own trust, you wear all three hats. If you're creating the trust on behalf of someone else or after you have passed away, or if you've become incapacitated, you may not wear all those hats all at the same time. So it's always good to be able to meet with a qualified estate planning attorney if there's any confusion, any discussion or concern about what hats you might wear, what role you play under a revocable living trust. If you do have any questions, be happy to meet with you for a complimentary consultation, and wish you all a great day. Thanks.